Hello, do you know how to write an addition number bond for the number 10? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So number bonds are two numbers, and because we're doing addition, it's two numbers that added together equal 10. Okay, so I could do an easy one like 5 plus 5, because that's a bond together, because added together 5 plus 5 is 10, isn't it? So that's correct. All right, what about this one? 2 plus, 2 plus what? What number am I missing to make 10? Yes, well done, it's 8. Okay, good. All right, what about this one? 9 plus 1. Is that a number bond for 10? Yes, it is, well done. Okay, what about this one? You can tell me if this is a number bond for 10. Does that equal 10? No, very well done. I thought I'd trick you there. Well done, okay? So that's not a number bond. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye!